Hello everybody, this is a quick video about what to do if the switch temperature of your washer machine get faulty or don't work at all. Or in my case, even if it was on cold, sometime that was hot water and sometime that was cold water or warm water. So the switch was broken. I looked for a replacement part and the guy says it might be something else, blah blah blah, the sales rep bullshit, and it was about like $100. We never wash on warm or hot water, so what I did is I bought a splitter for $5 at the hardware store, and I connect both hoses on the cold water, so no matter what the washer decide to do, it will always be cold water, so I won't have any surprise with ruining clothes because the washer was washing with hot water on it. It will always be cold. Seems like you can see there's nothing connected on the hot water side. Both hoses are connected in the splitter on the cold water pipe, so I won't have any hot water anymore. Obviously, if you want to use warm or hot, you will need to replace the part or connect your hose on the hot side and pray that your switch works properly. But in my case, I don't need hot water at all, so I connected both hoses on the cold side and I don't have any problem anymore with that. So I thought that I may share that tip with you. This splitter cost me $5 and the hose, but everybody already have both hose, the cold and the hot side, so I didn't have to buy any hose, sorry, just the splitter for $5. So instead of buying a switch for $100, it cost me $5 at the hardware, 5 minutes to install, and that's it, that's all. So I hope it will help you guys, but in my case was very helpful. So I hope it's helped. Have a good day everybody.